Find the degree of the following polynomials. So here in this video, in the description, I'll share one more video link where in that video I'll explain like 50 problems based on the polynomial. If it's a polynomial, what is the degree? So please check the description. In that I'll share a link in which I explained already like 50 problems, polynomial and degree. Now here the first question, what is degree of the polynomial? Degree is nothing but highest power of the variable. So here the degree of the first one is, here it is 2, here it is 1, here if you want you can write as x power 0. So the degree of the first question is here 2. Degree is 2. Next, second one, the degree of the polynomial. See here y cube, y power 1, and here if you want you can write y power 0 because y power 0 is 1. So here the highest power of the variable is 3. Here the next one, it is a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. So the degree of constant polynomial is 0 because you can write, because degree you can check only for the variable. So here you can write variable x power 0. So the degree is here 0. Here it's a linear polynomial. See, if degree is 1, it is called linear. So degree here is 1. 4z power 1 minus 3. 4z power 1 minus 3. So here the degree is 1. There is one more polynomial like 0 polynomial. Constant polynomial, here degree is 0. One more polynomial is a 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial, degree is not defined. Degree is not defined, and remaining the highest power of the variables. Write polynomials of degree 1, 2 and 3. See, polynomial definition is nothing but polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the power of the variable is a whole number. In which the power of the variable is a whole number. Is a whole number. So, and degree is nothing but the highest power of the variable. See, this is just I wrote the definition. It's not required directly, you can go for the answer. Degree 1, if degree is 1, we'll call it as linear. You can write like 3x. You can write just 3x also, simple one. Or you can write 3x plus 7 or 3x plus 1 by 2. See, they'll check the variable. Variable power should be 1. It is degree 1. You can write any one of the example. Next, degree 2. Degree 2, we'll call it as like quadratic. You can write simple one like x square if you want. Next, if you want, you can write 3x square plus 7x plus 3. This is another example. Any one you can write. Now see here, highest power is here 2, here 1 and here 0 because 3x power 0. So degree is 2. And you can take one more example. You can write in other variable also like y square plus 7y. You can leave it, or you can write plus 10. This is degree 2. Next one, degree 3. Degree 3 we'll call it as cubic polynomial. Now you can write simple one like x cube. One example. They ask only one, any one of these you can write. Here 7x cube plus 11x square plus 3x plus 2 power 4. You can write 2 power 4 because 2 power 4 is 16. highest power of the variable only they'll see. So variable is here 3. So the degree will be 3. Or you can write x cube minus 10. So in this way, we can write the polynomials of degree 1, 2 and 3. What are the coefficients of x square and x cube in the polynomial? So here the polynomial is like x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 6x square minus 2x plus 7. See here the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. So clearly coefficient of x square is, see here, it is 6 plus 6. So you can write just 6. Next they ask coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube is, see here, coefficient of x cube. In a hurry, some children they'll write 3, but compulsory we need to take the sign minus n. So the coefficient of x cube is, we need to write as minus 3. Here they didn't ask, but I'll write the remaining terms also. Like coefficient of x power 4, if they'll ask, that is nothing but here it is 1. Next coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 2. See here, it is clearly it is minus 2. Next constant term or coefficient of x power 0. Coefficient of x power 0, or we can call as constant term. Constant term is 7. What is the coefficient of z in the polynomial 4z cube plus 5z square minus 11? So here 4z cube plus 5z square minus 11. 4z cube plus 5z square minus 11. So they are asking like coefficient of z. See here there is no z term in this. So the coefficient will be 0, or you can write this polynomial in this way like 4z cube in descending order, 5z square plus 0 into z minus 11. So clearly now you can see the coefficient of z is 0 because there is no term with the variable z. We have z square, z cube and constant. Z cube, z square and constant, but there is no term with variable z as power degree, linear term we don't have, so that's why the coefficient is 0. If they ask coefficient of z cube, then it is 4. If they ask coefficient of z square, then it is 5. Suppose if they'll ask coefficient of z power 4, then it will be 0 because we don't have z power 4. And in the like constant term or coefficient of x z power 0 or constant term is minus 11. What is the constant term of the polynomial 9x cube plus 5x square minus 8x minus 10? So here constant term clearly the constant term is minus 10. Constant term, or if they want to twist the question or they want to ask in a different way, coefficient of x power 0. Coefficient of x power 0 is nothing but coefficient of x power 0. You can write here minus 10 x power 0. We'll call it as constant term. So the constant term in this polynomial is minus 10. And in the same way they'll ask coefficient of x cube, then it is 9. coefficient of x square, it is 5. Coefficient of x, you should write compulsory with minus sign, minus 8.